So we're making pancakes.
After Sean made a mess.
Yeah. And
wait, I want it.
So this is how we do it. So we're making a great dinner. And then after this, we're going to make some slime.
Well, wait, because you don't know how to do it. You got to watch me first.
And so we got this powder stuff. And then put it 1 cup.
Don't eat it yet. Eat that
And that cup that we put in. Where's the cup? This cup.
This is good.
Put it up to 1 cup. And put water in it. Warm water.
No me haces caso.
And after that, just put it in there, and then it cooks and makes it into a pancake. And then, so it could be like a restaurant. There is syrup here. And some ketchup.
Oh, yeah, baby. Fill up here. Ow!
Or this one.
Or this one.
Boysenberry.
I'm gonna
Boysenberry.
put that one right there.
Over there. Or boysenberry. We got this at Knott's Berry Farm a long time ago.
We're gonna be rich. We're gonna be rich because I made a YouTube channel. Oh my god. What channel?
Yeah, you're over there. I'll be waiting.
$9.10. That's actually really great because this is actually really, really good.
Yeah, hurry.
No, give it to me.
Sean, stop fighting. Dude, why do you? She said no.
The last one.
Hurry up.
The last one, Mom.
Yes, hurry, because you're backing us up.
I need to go to the restroom. Bye.
We have a cat, but he's not. Oh, he's right there.
I have some chicken. Sean, get off the table. No. You're there.